Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Porsche 356A. This casting is by Matchbox, part of their collector line. If you don't know, it's a premium line and they have better details, better paint, some more details compared to one you see on mainline or moving parts. And it also comes with a box to store it later. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Porsche 356A out of its box, and first thing you will notice is the classic looking paint. It's cream, very classic paint. You had a lot of cars back then in this color. Don't see that in today's world. You got the stripes, the blue, light and dark blue stripes front and on the sides with number 26. Hella as a sponsor. So it's very classic paint, looks really good. I'm gonna start from the front. So in the front, you got some nice details. You got those headlamps, which are detailed with this cross on it. So basically, used for racing. Yes, a chrome bumper, which looks good. Lower fog lamps, and with that grille, looks really good. You also got the Porsche Britain here, a Porsche classic Porsche badge, I would say. A trim piece on the hood, and it's not a front engine car; it's a rear engine car, like the 911s. Also got the windshield wiper, which again looks good, and you can see the metal part and the arms on the windshield. Don't see a mirror. I'm not sure if it actually had like mirror on both the sides. Cars back then had mirrors on one of the sides, but it misses on either side. I don't know why. Now let's move to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, you can see there's no glass in the window, so you can see the interior, which is finished in black. Number 26, just as like it was on the hood. Rubber tires and those nice looking wheels, which looks really good. Firestone Hella on the front fender and the rear fender there. Moving to the back. So on the back, you can see I've already opened the bonnet, I would say. Now the trunk for the engine. Apart from that, you have nicely detailed rear end with detailed tail lamps, stop lamps, a chrome bumper, again Porsche and 356A badge, number 26. And let's focus on the engine a little bit. So if you open it up, you can see that there's an engine with some details, some painted details right there. So it's good to have. You can close it off. There it is. Once you close it off, you can see there are vents or grill there and a small rear window. Now, passenger side, I think it looks almost identical. No major differences here. This is how it looks from the top, and this is how it looks from the bottom. So I'm not sure if it's a metal base. It might be chrome finished plastic one. I'm not sure. I'll have to confirm that. But yeah, overall it looks like a really nice casting. Looks really good. A lot of good details. I think you won't be disappointed with this one. And it actually makes a good addition to the collection with all the other Porsches. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.